dumbbell snatch. This can be really simple if we make it. There's a lot of ways to screw it up. So let's go over the correct technique. The weight's gonna start on the ground between your feet. As we lift it up, we're going to gain momentum towards the top of the lift, keeping our arms straight. And then when you get close to the top, you're gonna act like you're jumping up in the air with the weight. But instead of leaving the ground, that's gonna put the weight, that's gonna give some momentum to the dumbbell, which you're gonna follow through right in front of your body and then punch the ceiling. So you can pretend you're kind of taking off your shirt and holding it overhead like this. So it's legs first, jump, then the arm follows through and punch. At full speed, it'll look like this. Down, up, and punch. So I bent my legs a little bit on that one. I want you to just stand up and lock it up.